Hi fellow 112ers, this lesson is on UH web email. It's now powered by Google. What you need to do is you need to go to mail.hawaii.edu and you would type in your username, that's your Hawaii username, and then you would type in your password. Okay, and then you hit the login button. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to use Legacy, which is the older version, or Google. I suggest Google because everything seems to be moving towards Google and it might be only a matter of time before they get rid of Legacy, so you might as well start getting used to it. And then also because your forwarding options, the instructions that they provide for forwarding your email, say if you don't really like checking your UH email and you want to forward it to your I am super cool 94 email, then you want to probably start using Google and change your forward settings there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now we're logged in, and as you can see, I'm logged into my email. Now, in terms of changing your settings, there is a URL for that, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. And I'm going to make this link accessible to you next to this video. And then also, I am going to provide it within this video. This website gives you access to the instructions for how to forward your email. It tells you to go to the gear icon, to go to settings. So you would come into your email, you would go to the gear icon here, you would go to settings, and it's saying that you want to go to this one that says forwarding. And basically what you can do is you can add a forwarding address. Click on here, say you want to send it to my I'm super cool 94 at hotmail.com. And then you just hit next. And then it's going to ask you to confirm it, and you say proceed, and then it's going to send it there. And then it will tell you that where it's going to send it, and then you can tell it where you want it to keep a copy of the message, if you want it to also keep a copy of the message, or if you want it to mark it as University of Hawaii once it's read. Basically, you can specify other options in here. You just make sure that you click the forwarding option here so that it actually starts doing it. Right now forwarding is disabled, so you probably would not be receiving the messages until you click that. Okay, and that's it. You'd want to save the changes. It's not giving me the option right now. I think get auto saved, and then you just go ahead and get out of that by going back into your email messages. Okay, now one last thing to keep in mind is that you should be checking your UH email or the email to which you are forwarding your email to, because that is the method that I use to contact you for anything that's class related. If there's a general announcement that I need to make on something that maybe people might be misunderstanding, that is where you would check. I would send it in that email. Okay, so make sure that you check it regularly. I suggest checking it once a day just to make sure that you get any messages in regards to our class. This concludes our lesson for UH email and forwarding options. If you have any questions, give me a call at 808-343-9565 or email iled@hawaii.edu.